How to create a blog post on Shopify. Simply click on the left hand corner that says online store, and then you'll see blog posts options come up. We are going to click on that. Then click on create blog post. And you'll add the title for the new post that you want to write. And then down the bottom you can add the body of the post, anything you would like to write up or so on. And then simply in the top right hand corner you will click on visible and save it. And your post will be visible to anybody that visits your Shopify store. Here so they also give you the option to add a featured image. That would be the image that would be above your blog post when somebody clicks on it. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.